Check out the Chevrolet 2017 Impala LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment Group 1 LT, 100-watt 6-speaker system, 3 USB ports, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, premium audio system, Chevrolet MyLink, radio data system, radio, Chevrolet MyLink AM/FM stereo and Sirius XM satellite radio. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.